Hi folks, just a quick announcement. I've updated my Facebook profile now. I'm now promoting quite heavily on my Facebook profile. It's a new technique I've learned and I'm getting a lot of success from it. So if you want to know more about that, then I'll leave the link below my video so you can come and check me out on Facebook. And if you're interested, you can follow me on Facebook. That's not a problem, and you'll be able to see how you can benefit from my posts. Take a look at how I do my posts, and you'll see my success stories there that I post on there, and my failures, and also some of the tools and resources, both free and paid. And yeah, you'll be able to see all my marketing results from my Facebook profile. And there'll also be a few links scattered about on my profile that you might want to click on. Some free information, some free training, and the platform I follow that helps me with my success. So I'll leave the link below this video in the description to my Facebook profile. There'll be some more links underneath this video in the description about everything I use to be successful online and how I make a recurring income online. So if you want to have a click on those, then go right ahead. So if you want to see more of these videos that I'm bringing out, hopefully on a regular basis, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, leave a comment in the box if you've got any questions. So for now, until the next video, I'll see you all soon. Stay safe.